Hello again, it's me, Miss Sassy Pants, and today I am unboxing a beauty box that I received from yours truly. That's right, Boxycharm. This is not for the May, this is for April. So we're just a little behind. Just get over it, okay? She said just to open the damn boxes anyway. Besides, I haven't even seen inside this box. The PM boxes, the premiums, we have not even seen inside them. So they used to be $35 a month. Now they're $39.99. Just round the damn thing up. It's 40 bucks. So anyway, and you get two choices with this box right here. We do not care what it looks like when I open the box up or take all this crap out. You always get a card inside. It's the same one, Boxy Spring Revival. I think there's church up in here somewhere, isn't there? Because it says Revival, so just church up in here. I guess that's what's going on. So when he says go, it's time to go. You know, it's like, what do you call that? Confess your sin Sunday. So everybody head on into church. Wipe your feet too if you're in the places where it's raining. Okay. Excuse me. Anyway, on the back of the card, yes, you do. You get all kinds of information about the products inside your box, and all that information is down below in the description box. Oops. No, that's for another video. Just scratch that. Okay, just forget all that stuff. It's kind of like a jury, you know. Just scratch that. Have you ever seen a jury just forget what they just got done hearing? I don't think a juror has ever said, okay, I just scratched that, like etch a sketch. That's crazy. No, you can't do that. You can't unhear things. The only way I can do that is if I have Miss Lady delete, cut, paste, and all that other kind of stuff. Sorry, those peanut M&Ms and those smokehouse almonds, they are delicious. Okay, just the light was blinding me. It's like, I feel like I'm tanning my face. We're gonna get into this box, okay? So the first item is by Natasha Denona. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this box. Look at this box. It's like something you get at Costco or the thrift store. That's because she's smart. She doesn't waste all kinds of money on packaging until you get right here. Yes, that's right. This is the Cupid Cheek Duo. Oh, it's a cream blush and highlighter. We didn't put any blush and highlighter on. No, I told her just to wait because we didn't know what we were getting. How much is this? $42. Is this a Boxy exclusive? Oh, check this out, you guys. Is that pretty or what? Oh, you know, we should just... Because, you know, what, come on. Smart cookie, just a minute ago, you were taking a bit... Okay, never mind. I won't embarrass you. But I mean, come on, look at this. It's like, you know, we got to do it right. Oh, that's beautiful.
Don't you want to have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you want to have fun? Don't you want to have some fun?
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right.
Ta-da! So I think she's going to be just a little bit annoyed with me. Because I just like, you know, sometimes I just go crazy. Especially with highlighter. She doesn't like highlighter. I do. Yes, I do. I just like to put it everywhere. It's just, you know, just like shiny here. And she's like, just stop it. We look like we're those old people, you know, the women that didn't know how to get rid of the oil on their face, you know. You just get annoyed at them. They're like, oh my God, you need one of those blotting pads. You look like they got the vapors. Oh, Hot flashes. Smart Cookie said the vapors are the farts. Okay, so just my bad. Sorry. Natasha Denona. Oh, and we like this blush. We like it, you guys, right? Okay, good. It's not like I really care. No, I do. I like it when you guys like this stuff. I like to. All right, so just be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Just, hey, you guys, just settle down over there. Settle down. I'm just, these are quick videos. Just chill out. And you, what's been going on with you? You quit eating those damn beans. I'm telling you, we're going to order some colored underwear from Amazon for you. You know, okay. Anyway, herbivore. Next, herbivore. This is the Boxycharm. It's the retinol alternative smoothing serum. This one here comes in at $54. I already have it. I'm not going to open this one up, so this one's going to go in a giveaway. I say it like a Miss Lady, huh? I already have it. Okay, let's keep moving on. Dr. Brand. Where's Dr. Brand? Where the hell is he at? Where's Dr. Brand? Oh, there he is. Eye cream. Oh, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. We don't need it. We've got tons of stuff already. This one here comes in at $82. Holy crap, this is our new launch. Yes, it is. It's a new one. It's okay. No big deal. We'll just give this one away too. All right. Mitchell and Peach. Sounds like a new one. So listen, you guys. So there was the Boxy exclusive, which was Natasha Denona. And then Dr. Brandt is the new launch. This one here is the new brand to Boxy. It's this Mitchell and Peach. I'd like to introduce you to Mitchell and his partner Peach. This is the, what the heck is this? English what? Oh, English leaf body oil. They're giving us body oil? $68. Okay. Let's do say so. Let's see what it looks like. Damn. That is I don't know. It's glass. Just trust me, it's glass. If I drop this thing, it'll break my toe. Wow, that thing is huge. We won't keep it. Okay, My Beauty brand. Oh, look. My Beauty brand and By Me. Wait, okay, excuse me. Hang on. My Beauty brand, By Me black liquid eyeliner. Well, we don't use liquid eyeliner, so it's going in the giveaway bucket. Whatever. $20. That's a new brand to Boxy. The last one is Endota. Whatever the hell that. And what are these? Okay, this is another new brand. So there was 3, 4, 5. How many? There was 3 new brands to Boxy for the month of April. There was a new launch and then a new, and then a Boxy exclusive. So this one here is a hydrating lip balm. Okay, we're gonna see. See what's got. Just your typical Vaseline type of, you know, like these. I have too many. The lady and I have too many. So this will probably go in a giveaway too. So there's giveaway, 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 giveaway. That's 4. Giveaway, keep. So we're giving away 5 out of the 6. Oh, look at you, did so well. Oh my goodness, you didn't have any other choice. You just put your whole hand. Yeah, I figured. He just went like this. He goes, whatever. I can't screw up that way. So anyway, that's $291 worth of stuff. The amount's right there. See, look, see, it's right there. $291. Okay, so let's get this magnifying glass out because we can't see crap. And what is our, it's 201. Who cares? Don't put it on the screen, Miss Lady. Please don't. Because nobody really cares. All right, so that's it. That's what's my Boxycharm Premium for the month of April. I'm done. Yes, I am. I'm done opening boxes. Oh, I forgot. I've got Ipsies too. She's got like 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She's got, I think, almost 10 or 11 things she has to open. And I still have both of my Ipsies. So, I don't know. We'll see, you guys. We'll see how many we can do looking like this. We look like a hooker. Every time she does her makeup, I tell her but I did. Guess what I told her? I said, if you're going to do your makeup and I get to record when you do your makeup, you better give me some lashes. And she did the Glamnetic. Look. She used the Glamnetic. These were the Venus. Oh, yes. These are the Venus. If I just went like that, they would just come right off. And it's really nice. She did a nice line, too. Her hand was all like going, just kidding. No, I'm just smart cookie. I wasn't giving her a hard time. You can shut the hell up. You know what? You stress her out enough. She can't even write when you got a hold of her. So just back the hell up. You know, I'm in the mood to hit someone. You are first on my list. Yes, you are. We don't condone violence, you guys. Unless it happens. Unless it's her. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. I will see you guys in another video when I unbox some more stuff. But until then, you guys, all right? Bye. Peace. Oh, hey, you know what? If they ask them to subscribe. If you feel like subscribing and you are enjoying the content that's in this video and you like the kind of stuff that's on art, you know what? If they want to subscribe, they can. I hate forcing people to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe if you want to. See you later. Bye.